On behalf of the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, I would like to extend warm greetings to the East Indian community and the wider nation as we commemorate Indian Arrival Day. Today offers us an opportunity to recognize the bravery, resilience and rich cultural heritage of the East Indian community. We remember the ancestors who first arrived on our shores aboard the Fatal Razak in 1845. Their arrival marked the beginning of an enduring legacy that has significantly enriched the vibrant tapestry of Trinidad and Tobago.
The history of the Indian Arrival Day in Tobago, it was started in the year 1992 when I came here to live in the year 1987. We started observing Indian Arrival Day and Diwali celebration on the island when we formed the Tobago Hindu Society. So up to the present day, we have been hosting this celebration for the past years, and we try as much as we could to educate the people of Tobago about the East Indian culture.
From the distinct flavors of our cuisines to the melodies of our music, and from deeply held values to cherished traditions, Indian culture has profoundly shaped our national identity. The spirit of perseverance and steadfast commitment to progress have been hallmarks of the East Indian community, allowing them to become an indispensable part of our national fabric, contributing in every sector.
Indian Arrival Day means so much to me. It is the celebration of our ancestors to the beautiful shores of Trinidad. And my grandparents came from India, and we continue to celebrate and we continue to educate the people about what Indian Arrival Day is all about. We have songs, music, dance, we have all these things to commemorate the Indian Arrival Day on the island of Tobago.
Let us continue to celebrate unity in diversity and work together for a brighter, more inclusive future. Happy Indian Arrival Day.